Hello, brothers, sisters. Yeah, I do this, boy. Yeah. So I'm in Italy, yeah. And, the friend I came to visit, man, the godfather of Bachelor, or not, man, if you feel okay. So I want to do something for him. So I'm heading to the supermarket. So surprisingly, you know, our banana I said to nature, yeah, and Mr. Riku is nobody, you know, and then birthday. Happy birthday, brother.
Thanks, man.
You know, record one. Yeah, so basically some stew and maybe some chicken, fried chicken. Anyway, then I don't know, not anything much. And if I do camp now, he has to put inside the fridge. Yeah, so some simple stuff. Yeah, boys level. No hard feelings. Italy. Italia uno. Okay, Rosetto, so this is the supermarket that we're going. Sponsored by Lemonade Finance. Lemonade Finance is an app that allows Africans living in Canada, UK, and USA to send money back home to their loved ones and family in 10 African countries. Yes, 10 African countries. So it allows you to send money to loved ones in Ghana, Nigeria, Senegal, Ivory Coast, Benin, Cameroon, Kenya, Rwanda, Tanzania, and Uganda. And the interesting part is you can send money to these African countries with zero commission. Yes, zero fee. You don't pay anything. Just send the money and receive the exact money over there in Africa. It's fast and reliable. They also have the best exchange rate in the market. So anytime I want to send money back home in Ghana, that's the app I use. You can download this app from Google Play and Apple Store. Just search for Lemonade Finance and everything will show up. Click on it and fill in your details and you're good to go. And one amazing thing that comes with this app is that they have an inbuilt wallet where you can put or store money over there for future or further use if you don't want to use your card. And one good news is that for your first transaction, use my name Sindaco and get £10 cash back for your first transaction above £100. Man, yeah. Lemonade Finance, it is what it is. Man, one thing that I can't get away from Italy is the sun. Man, the sun. You can have 6 months straight of good sun. This is sun. Of good sun. Man, Italy, France, Spain, good weather. Good weather. But the economy, man, let's get our money back. Man, I wanted to do the wireless kind of payment. Man, UK is £100. More than 100, then you have to type in the pin. Over here, 20 euro, then more than 20 euro, you have to put in the pin. Man, what's up, Italy? Still, up to now, what's on? I'm with them. They're chrono. My chrono is not going to hand it all. My family need him. And it is what it is. So we're back, yeah? We're back and we're about to do this. Sticky, let me come close. This sticky caution. The sticky ties, yeah. Checking reference and ties and the feet, and I said, like, you know, I'll do some quick. My secret offense is spaghetti with coconut, coconut milk, and I'll do that thing for him as well. This is virgin, olive oil. This is one of the nice products here. This is cabbage, so I'll do the cabbage stew for him as well. And this one I'll use for the coconut milk and the normal milk and the cheese. Man, I can't come to Italy without drinking some nice prosecco. This is prosecco. You know, Italy got the best wine, whatever, like vino. Yeah, wine is vino. Yeah, so prosecco. One, be here like this. Garlic ginger for some seasoning. So the driver who took me to the place will be going to work this afternoon. So I think it's left about 3 hours time for him to go. So I need to pause the chicken and start the spaghetti so that he can eat something before he goes to work. Yeah, so let's do this.
To forget my problems.
Yeah, so we start our spaghetti thing. Yeah, I have a bit of oil over here. Then Now adding my onion. Okay, so we're using the electric stove. Man, electric stove, I'm not a fan of electric stove. So this is a quick one, just for sugar reasons. Yes, so I'm now adding my mixed meat. Yeah, I'm adding my mixed meat. Make sure that I break them to pieces like this.
If I boozo, I go forget my problems. If I boozo, I go forget my worries. If I boozo,
I'm now adding a bit of pepper to give that chili taste, yeah. Okay, so this is beef meat. You can use any meat or minced meat of your choice.
too much trouble, so my head, oh.
So I'm now adding my carrots.
Waiting, I go do, I go pay you tomorrow.
The milk is going in now. So this is a milk.
I want to cry for money, oh.
And I add the coconut milk too.
Cry for trouble. So wahala in my house. I go pay you tomorrow. She said, give me quarter, I go pay you tomorrow. Sell, give me half.
So this is the succulent sauce, yeah? It's called the succulent sauce. So I'll be putting the spaghetti on fire very soon so that when this gets ready, that will also be ready. Yeah. So that's the water. Adding salt to it. Make a quick stir so that they don't stick together. You can just add in a bit of oil to prevent it from sticking together. A bit of salt inside. Now adding some amount of cheese. Just do it again. Man, I'm in Italy, yeah, so I'm doing what Italians do. If you come to Italy, they say if you go to Rome, do what Romans do. Ecco. So when you come to Italy, you put aside everything and have a taste of these ones. Mamma mia. Mamma mia. Listen, me a bad boy. I keep saying, me a bad boy. Man, look at this.
Sentinel, mama, man.
Could be milk, no? What I say? Man, no spices, so I didn't add anything to it. You don't need spices in your food to taste good unless you don't know how to cook. You don't know how to mix things. Man. Wow. Who wants some? I don't know.
I say, wait, who never baby, ice in the house. Ice in the baby. Yeah, ice in the house now, because I don't want that. No, special order.
Man, I do be uncle them.
Then you be back my friend couple 7 years.
I'm not betting I'm different, so we are. Man, oh boy, now what's on radio? Let come face me. Yeah, let your boy come challenge me. I'm going for the second round, the third round, the fourth round, the fifth round. Man, too much guyness. Anyway, and when you come to Italy, you eat in the pits. Anyway, they are going to need the bull. It is what it is for shizzle my nizzle. I
want to forget my problems. I want to forget my sorrow. Waiting I go do, I go pay you tomorrow. I want to forget my problems. I want to forget my sorrows. Now waiting I go do, I go pay you tomorrow. If I boozo, I go forget my problems. If I boozo, I go forget my worries. If I boozo, I go forget my sorrows.
So ebusianfo Ghana. Na se opese wo send this kama wo download the Lemonade Finance app no App Store, Google Play Store. Never send this scammer webusianfo omo Ghana. Lemonade Finance app no free. So we send this guy free. Very easy and very secure too. Exchange rates no so the best on the market. And catch our webusianfo omo abotre say some person mo send this scammer omo use Lemonade Finance. Ubetimi download the Google Play Store, any Apple App Store. Kai say Lemonade Finance free, easy, fast, and our exchange rates no so the best on the market.